What's something people don't know about Venezuela's wildlife? It's packed with incredible creatures. First up, the Orinoco crocodile. This river monster can grow up to 23 feet long. Next is the harpy eagle, the world's most powerful bird of prey, with talons bigger than a bear's claws. Moving on, we have the playful Amazon river dolphin, also known as the pink dolphin. Yep, they really are pink. Then there's the giant anteater, with a tongue that can flick up to 160 times per minute. And finally, the elusive jaguar, South America's largest big cat. Catching a glimpse of one is like finding a hidden treasure. So, which one is your favorite? Time to pack your bags and explore Venezuela's wild wonders.